In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a priority to an Asana task. We'll keep this simple and practical, so you can start using priorities right away. The idea is to make sure your team can instantly see what's urgent, what's important, and what can wait, all within your Asana project. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Asana, then click the official Asana website in the results to open your workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the specific project where you want to use task priorities. This could be any project where you track work and want a quick visual way to highlight urgency. With the project open, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click Customize. This opens the project's customization panel where you can control what fields and features appear. In that panel, select Fields. Fields are the columns or attributes that show up on your tasks. Things like Asana, due date, and in our case, priority. Next, find and click Priority. This adds the priority field to your project so it's visible on your task list and within individual tasks. After selecting it, make sure to save your changes. Saving confirms that the priority field is now part of your project's setup and makes it available to everyone who can view the project. From here, you'll see a priority column in your project view, and the priority field will also appear when you open any task in this project. That means you and your teammates can choose a priority level, typically options like high, medium, or low, right where you manage the work. It's an easy, consistent way to communicate urgency without adding extra comments or clutter. A few tips for getting the most out of this field. Agree as a team on what each priority level means, so everyone uses it the same way. For example, high could mean time-sensitive or blocked work that needs immediate attention. You can also pair priority with due dates to make sure urgent tasks have a clear timeline. If you have access to view controls, you can sort or group your project by priority to quickly scan what needs focus first. If you don't see Customize or Fields, you may need edit access to the project. And if the priority field doesn't appear in the list, it might be managed at the workspace level. Check with your admin or project owner. That's it. You've added the priority field, and you're ready to assign priorities to tasks in your project. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!